What is up, hotties, and welcome back to my channel. So I did do a poll and I asked you guys, what do y'all want to see first this week? And y'all said you wanted to see maintain your edges. So here we are. This is how to maintain your edges. Stay tuned. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I maintain my edges. I do a lot of styles. I do braided styles, a lot of crochet styles, and it's very important that you protect your edges in all this styling, especially if you're using gel on your edges or if you're using edge control and you probably don't know what ingredients is in there, even if they say they have all natural stuff. So you want to maintain your edges and you want to take care of it. I'm going to be sharing with you how I do mine. The most important thing for me with my edges is that I wash my edges or cleanse my edges every night. And I'm going to be showing you how I do that right now, as a matter of fact. So I have my cotton ball. I'll go ahead and wet it. Once I have wet my cotton ball, I'm going to go ahead and wet my edges. And the thing about making sure that you cleanse your edges, if you're like me and you wear a little makeup here and there, whether it be Maybelline or some light face powder or something, you don't want no makeup on your edges. No, you don't. You don't want that. So you go ahead and you wet your edges. This is better done in the shower. I normally do it in the shower, but for video purposes, I'm going to be doing it like this, right? So when you're taking your bath, you would wet up hair like so. And y'all know I have been loving the Biotin Boost. I love it. So I go ahead, sometimes I use the Biotin Boost on my edges, sometimes I don't, sometimes whatever I wash my face with, and usually it's just black soap, I will use that on my edges too, you know, but because it's 100% organic black soap, I'll show you the bottle, but don't judge me because the bottle look beat up bad. Okay, hold on. So this is how the bottle look. It got wet because, okay, y'all know it got wet, so it looks kind of beat up, but this is the 100% pure African black soap, and I normally use it on my edges, like right here, because my whole body have hair, right? And for some reason, it doesn't matter how much I shave or anything, like my hair grows really fast to the point where I probably look like a wolf right now because I am just so done with shaving. And I don't want to wax, so don't even tell me about waxing because that's painful. But my hair grows really fast, so I figure if the black soap making my hair and my body grow so fast, it might as well work for my edges too, right? So sometimes if I don't use this Biotin Boost shampoo, I go ahead and I use my black soap and it works just fine. Today, I'm going to be using the Biotin Boost, and I just go ahead and I apply it to my edges like so. And then after I massage my edges, cleanse my edges, I go ahead and I wipe it off. I usually use a paper towel because I don't want makeup getting on my washcloth or whatever cloth. So I use a paper towel so I could just throw it away. after it's nice and clean, I go ahead and I take a wet cloth. Now I could go ahead and take a wet cloth and then just wipe it some more. But if I was in a shower, I would put like my shower cap like right here, and then I would just wet all hair in the shower. I'm probably still going to be doing that just to make sure I get all the soap out. But yeah, that's what I normally do. I'll put the shower cap like right here, and then I'll go ahead and wash all hair out. But for video purposes, I'm just going to be using a wet cloth, and I'm going to wipe it off and make sure I get all the excess soap. Make sure I get it all off. This is how my edges is looking. Nice and clean. And the next thing, and the next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is emphasizing that when you do your styles, you do not touch your edges. You know, like how some people like to braid your edges in. I don't braid my edges into any style. I normally just leave it out. So for instance, when I do like protective style, I will pretty much leave all of this hair right here. I would leave all of this out. All of this would be left out. I don't braid it in, I just leave it out. Yeah, so don't braid this in, just leave it out. Don't touch it, don't pull it, just leave it out. And the next thing I do, I also have my Super Grow Oil. I have been using this product like forever. You could buy the spray. It has like a spray, the same exact brand, same exact thing, has a spray that says Ginseng Miracles. I take like a little bit and I'll just dab it on my hair like so, and then I would just smooth it in and smooth it in. And for maximum hair growth and to keep my edges from falling out. So always cleanse your edges, always make sure that it's free from any product and makeup. And the next thing is when you do your hairstyles, never pull on your edges, leave them out, and do the same thing, cleanse them every night. You could use whatever product that works on your hair. Like if you've been using coconut oil and you notice that your hair loves coconut oil, maybe you could, dab your edges with a little bit of coconut oil. But this Ginseng Super Oil Grow blah blah blah, I've been using it for years and it works great. Another thing that I did try, like one time when my edges fell apart, because I did some really tight braids and my edges, like, it was gone with the wind. I used this Dr. Miracle Edge edge lotion. I'm going to find it and leave a link to it in the description below. That worked, actually. It did work. It worked for me and it worked for my mom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it will be helpful to you guys if you haven't already been doing this. I hope this is helpful. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.